Hey, looking to wow your app users? We've got the latest mobile app design trends lined up in this video. So sit tight and discover how you can make your app more engaging and fun. We're Jelvix, software development partner for industry leaders. You're on our channel. Weekly videos on tech in 5 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe not to miss new videos. Also, use the Super Thanks feature to support our channel. We'll appreciate it and deliver more great content. Let's not waste any time and get right to the point. The number one trend is the use of animations and videos. Every year, it becomes increasingly difficult to save the user's attention. One of the most effective tools for you can be a variety of animations and GIF graphics added to different parts of your application. They grab the attention from the first moment and help users to immerse themselves deeper into the functionality. Also, pay attention to the micro animations added to CTAs, buttons, or pop-ups. Their presence will help the user navigate the design more smoothly, stay in the app longer, and most importantly, lead them to make needed decisions on the platform. The second must-have for your mobile app design is chatbots and a conversational interface style. Of course, with the development of artificial intelligence, chatbots have become much smarter and more pleasant to communicate with. In 2023, this trend will only gain momentum. For example, according to Statista, by 2024, total revenue from the chatbot industry will reach $450 million. The numbers speak for themselves, don't they? Using chatbots helps to optimize communication with the client and the support service. Only pluses. But even if you don't use a chatbot, the conversational format of the app is still a good solution. Even if your field is quite formal, like banking or medicine, the user will appreciate the simulation of live communication. It's unnecessary to inflate the situation and throw around terms. It's already out of fashion. The third trend is an asymmetry of design. Design asymmetry is a delicate dance between balance and imbalance, a timeless principle that can trace back to Roman architecture. In the realm of website or mobile app design, asymmetry can unlock many rich, visually stimulating layouts. By dabbling with varying fonts, hues, dimensions, and forms, you can breathe life into a distinctive aesthetic that sets your platform apart from the rest. Now, before we move on to the next trend, check out if you're subscribed to our channel. So, trend number 4 is 3D graphics. Say goodbye to the flat, two-dimensional design trend that has held a steadfast grip for the past decade. We're witnessing the dawn of a new era of 3D. 3D graphics become more and more popular while modern devices can render them smoothly, and with the right optimization, even older gadgets can keep up. Thus, businesses that don't want to be left in the dust should harness this technology. Now, let's discuss purely design elements. Fonts, color schemes, etc. Ready? Over the last few years, we've seen a trend shift toward content-oriented designs. To implement this approach, you can use several features. First, there are illustrations. Custom illustrations that show the essence of what is written in the text can play a huge role in the overall perception. This works especially well when the user faces a metaphor or needs to visualize what's being said. Pay attention to geometric illustrations. Nowadays, they're on the cusp of popularity. The second is unusual typography. We recommend trying, for example, serif fonts. It's very simple. A sharper emission of letters helps your brain to remember words better, and they look elegant and attractive. The designers at Jelvix shared their top 5 serif fonts, which are Playfair, DM Serif Display, Cinzel, Prada, and Brie Serif. Enjoy it. And finally, the third is the use of transparent elements. Semi-transparent design elements help give your application a depth and 3D vibe. Moreover, this approach helps draw the user's attention to the main design elements, guiding them through the content. So let's recap. If you've followed design trends, you may have noticed that most of what we've mentioned has been going strong for a few years. But what sets 2023 apart from, say, 2022? It's the ability to break stereotypes. If you want to learn more about design trends, check out our other video. There's a lot of useful stuff there too. Also, support us by liking this video and leaving a comment. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button. Bye for now.